Hi, good morning. We wait for a while. I think the previous class is haven't finished, so a lot of students haven't joined. We wait for a while. We wait for a while. Hi, good morning. We wait for everyone to join. I think the previous class just finished. We wait for a while. Let everybody to join. Good morning. Wait for a while. Hi, good morning. Okay, today we move on to the last subtopic of the partnership, which is the statement of financial position. Statement of financial position. Okay, let me recap what we learned in a partnership. In a partnership company, we learn about first thing that we learn is the theory part of the introduction. Introduction for wait, a lot of students just joined. Okay, first we learn introduction of the partnership. Okay, advantage or disadvantage of partnership. What is partnership? And also we learn about partners agreement. Partners agreement. These are the things that we learn. After that, we learn about appropriation account. We learn about appropriation account. How to do the appropriation account. Third one, last class, we learn about current account. How to do a current account. And now the fourth one, and then the last one in a partnership, how to do statement of financial position. How to do statement of financial position in a partnership company. These are the four things that you need to know. Okay, but the statement of financial position got two versions of the statement of financial position for partnership. There are two versions of the statement of financial position in a partnership. Okay, let me show you one by one. First one, partnership of the statement of financial position. Sorry, preparation of the statement of financial position of a partnership business. Example number 4, Sumit and Padma in a partnership. Their financial year ends 31st May. Their current account shown in example 3. Their current account shown in example number 3. So can we go to the example number 3, check how much is their capital, how much is their current. Okay, this is actually like this, you know, right? We have a NCA, CA, we total up, then we have a capital, NCL, CL, right? This part, the capital part. Okay, now I'm showing the capital part. Okay, can you go to the example number 3? Check how much the capital for Sumit and Padma, how much current account Sumit for Padma. So I go to the example number 3. Where's my example number 3? Yeah, this is the example number 3. It is my example number 3. What I'm going to do is I'm going to paste the example number 3 here. I paste my example number 3 here. Page number 6. Example number 3, I take from page number 6. Okay, in a page number 6, we'll take the information from this. We'll take information from this to do the current account. So simple question. Can you tell me how much the capital for Sumit? Refer here and tell me how much the capital for Sumit. Very good. Oi, Sumit, your eyes got problem. I'm asking the capital. I'm asking capital. Are you how you people get 700, 2000? How much the capital for Sumit? This is the capital account. This is the Sumit. So how much? 40, 130. I resign lah. Okay. Listen to my question. Wake up, people. Okay, that's a current account balance, opening balance. That's an interest on capital. So many numbers are there. Or if the word separated, interest on capital is 200. Okay, so I'm asking capital. So you need to see the capital account. Sumit is 40,000. So is Sumit, right? 40,000. Padma, how much the Padma? Padma is, you check, capital account, Padma 20,000. So right here, 20,000. Then you total up. Total up, I get 60,000 of the total. Very simple. Very, very simple. Okay, next one. Next one, the question asked me to do current account. So can you go to the current account and we will take the closing balance. Remember this, we'll take the closing balance to record in our statement of financial position because on the 31st May means closing balance lah. So closing balance means you can take the closing balance here or you can take the latest opening balance. You can take the latest opening balance. Okay, so 5,600 is here. Padma 5,600. And then Sumit is 700. Sumit is 700. Do you understand this? Okay, is this correct? Is this correct? No, not really. Not really correct. Why not really correct? Because if the current account in a debit side, current account in a debit balance means it's a negative. Current account in a debit balance means it's a negative. It's a negative balance. Okay, let me explain what is the difference. What is the difference between? You can copy this lah. Current account, debit and credit balance. Current account, debit and credit balance. Okay, current account, credit balance. Credit balance is a normal balance. Credit balance means it's a normal balance. The business or partnership or the partner. partnership O the partner, or is a positive balance. It's a positive balance, or it's a normal balance. If the balance in a debit side, I'm talking about the balance BD, yeah. I'm talking about the balance BD. I'm talking about the balance BD, current account, debit and credit. Balance BD. I'm talking about balance BD. Okay, I'm talking about balance BD. So is in a debit side means the partner or the business or partnership is a negative balance. It's a negative balance. Okay, do you understand this? Just remember this. And now I'm showing you here. Can you see this here? You see, this is actually Sumit and Padma's, the partner's account. Okay, the partner will get 2,000. I checking the Sumit, partner will get 2,000 from interest and capital. And then the profit is 8,500. Okay, the profit is 8,500. And his account got balance of 130. Okay, 130 plus 2,000 plus 8,500. All these he will get. The owner will get. So how much total money that he can take? How much total money that he get from the business from this year? 10,000. 10,630. I don't know who teach you maths. 10,630. He get from the business, he earn. Okay, well, get or earn lah. He earn 10,630. But how much money that he withdraw? How much money that he withdraw? I'm talking about Sumit. How much money that he withdraw? He withdraw 11,000. Somehow we charge the guy 11,330. So total 11,330. He consider he take the money, and also we charge the guy, right? Included lah. So 11,330 he take out from the business. Consider he take out the business, but he only have 10,630 in his account. He only have 10,630 in his account, but he withdraw 11,330. So now he owe the business, or business owe him. He earn more or he take more? That guy owe me. Sumit owe me. That's why Sumit's account in a debit side. Sumit's balance BD in a debit side. He owe the business. He owe the partnership. So that's why his balance in a debit side. Do you understand or not? And if you see the Padma, Padma total here is 14,000, but she withdraw only 8,000. Okay, her total income, all this is 18,000, but she only withdraw 8,000. So now the business keep Padma's money. The business keep Padma's money of 5,600. So the business owe Padma. Who don't understand why that we owe the guy owe us all this? Okay, so that's why if it is a debit balance, we need to put in a negative balance. If it is a credit balance, we put in a positive balance. We'll put in a positive balance. Understand? Okay, copy this. Please copy this. What is the word CR? CR means credit. Here's it. Balance. Or this. BIZ means business. BIZ means business, short form for business. Correct? You understand now? BIZ means business or partnership or the partner. Debit means partner or the business or the partnership. Okay, so now, how much the answer here? Let's test your mathematics. How much the X? If you have still got people wrong, negative 700 plus 5,300, 5,600. You get 4,900, 4,900. Okay, then 60,000 plus 4,900, 64,900. This is how we do the statement of financial position of the capital part for partnership. Understand not? It's easy, right? It's easy. But sometimes the partner may wish to show a full detail of the current account inside the statement of financial position. Sometimes the owner want to show the full statement of financial position as full current account inside the statement of financial position. So how it will be look alike? How it will be look alike is like this. The normal non-current asset, current asset is there, total up. After the current asset, we write Sumit Padma total and then write here capital. How much the capital for Sumit? You can take from here 40,000, 20,000, right? Capital 40,000, 20,000. Then total 60,000. Capital account, current account, both are capital, correct? Capital account, current account, both are capital. But why we keep it separately? Because we want to keep the capital in a separate account other than capital in a current account. So capital, current, both are same actually. Inside the statement of financial position will total up. Okay, the problem here in the normal way, is we just put the balance of the current account, how much. But in a detailed way, sometimes the question will ask you to do detail one. The detail one, you need to write the detail of the current account. You need to calculate the current account inside here. Okay, current account, right? We'll start with what? Anybody? The first thing that you need to put in a current account is what? You need to do the current account inside here. No, before the profit. Profit is the appropriation account. Appropriation account, we start with the profit. Before the drawing, we'll put what? Balance BD. So you can go back to the question. You can go back to the question, or you can go to the current account that we already prepared here and check how much the balance BD for Sumit. Balance BD for Sumit is under 30. Balance BD for Padma is 910. Is this correct? Correct or wrong? Wrong, huh? Why? I say what? If it is a credit balance, it's a positive balance. If it is a debit balance, it must be negative balance. You must put a negative. If you didn't put negative, it's wrong. So I put a negative 910. Everybody understand this? Very good. And this balance BD need to plus with whatever item that you record in the credit. This BD need to plus with whatever that you record in the credit. So do you remember? Don't look at this. Don't look at this. Don't look at this. Do you remember what are the item will be in a credit side? Just recall. Yes, I can remember. First one is IOC. What is IOC? Interest on capital. After interest on capital, I remember I have a partner salary. After partner salary, I remember I have a profit share. And after this, I suppose to have an interest on partner's loan. Interest on partner's loan, but this question, we don't have interest on partner's loan. So we can skip that. Okay. So now interest and capital, 2,000, 1,000. 2,000, 1,000. Partner salary, only Padma 9,500. You all can see, right? If too small, let me know. Huh? Profit share is 8,500,4,250. All this item will be in a credit side. All this item will be in a credit side. So what if I have an interest on loan? What to do with record S? Normally, if it is there's an interest on partner's loan, we write here interest on partner's loan 1,000 like this. Can you see or not? Okay, it will be in a credit side. Interest on partner's loan 1,000 or whatever thousand lah we write here. And also here, interest on partner's loan 1,000 we write here. We just add the information only. If you have done the homework, last class I give you homework, right? The Paul. If you done the homework, then you'll know it's inside here. Here got interest on partner's loan. Okay, if you haven't do, please do later. Then you'll know. Okay, after that, that's it in the credit side. That's the credit side. We will total up. So can I total up? How much the total? We just record the credits. Credit side, total up, and then debit side, total up, and then minus. Credit side, balance BD, not credit side actually, balance BD, then credit side. First, you write the balance BD, then you write the credit side. You need to total up, and then after that, you need to write the balance debit side. Then you'll get a balance CD. This is the format. Okay, I total up. How much total that you get for 130 plus 2,000 plus 8,500? I get 87. 10,630. After that, negative 910. Negative 910 plus 1,000 plus 9,500 plus 4,250. I get 13,840. Are you following me? Capital is separate. Then current account separate. Then capital, total capital will be plus with the total current account. We'll get a total like this. Okay, this capital is a final number, so I total up and I write a total. For current account, you don't need to total up individually. Just take the closing CD, total up, and then write here. Understand? Only for current account, we will calculate the total current account balance CD. The balance CD only will total up. So for the individual item, don't total up. For individual item, don't total up. Okay, here got a question. Okay, after this, I will reply that. Okay, let me finish this first. Okay, and then come back here. Then we have drawings and interest on drawings, the debit one lah. Drawings and interest on drawing. So how much the drawing? 11,000, 8,000, 11,000, 8,000. Actually, you can double line this on to show that this is the total. You can double line this to show this is the total, which is the drawing and interest on drawing is different. Okay, 11,000 and then interest on drawing 330,240. Then we total up. 11,330 8240. 8240. And now you calculate the balance CD. How much the balance CD? What do? You take the A minus the B. A minus the B, you'll get the balance CD. 10630 minus 11,330. Oh, I get negative. So put here negative 700. 13840 minus 8240, I get 5600. So total, I get 4900. Then 60,000 plus with 4900, I get a total of 64,900, which is equivalent to this. So this one and this one, same thing. This one and this one, same thing. But what is the difference between the first one and second one? For the first one, the current account detail I put in a separate account. The current account detail I put in a separate account, and then I calculate the balance CD. I write the balance CD here. I write the balance CD straight away here. But the second one is I show the current accounts calculation inside the statement of financial position. Which one to do? The question will tell you. The question will tell you which one you need to do in an exam. Sometimes they want you to prepare the separate current account and then prepare the statement of financial position. Sometimes the question wants you to do like this. They will tell you, show the current account calculation within the statement of financial position. Then you need to do like this. So why drawing interest? Why drawing interest separate? Oh, the concept is this. Whatever that we put in a balance BD need to plus with the credit item, then total up, and then you need to put a debit item. So drawings and interest and drawing is a debit item, which will reduce the current account. The credit item will increase the debit item. So I put the balance BD, I list down all my increase item, total up, and then I separately calculate the decrease item, total up, then I minus. Do you understand? First, we put all the increase item, then we total up, we put a decrease item, total up, then we minus. You need to do step by step. Do you understand? Wednesday class. What Wednesday class? Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, all this will increase the debt. All this will decrease the debt. Later you watch lah. Okay. So before we continue, there's a question here. The question say, wait. I copy the question I sent to everyone. Okay, this is the question I get. Will interest on partner's loan will be recorded in the appropriation account as well, or only in a current account? So wait. Okay, you remember this? Yeah. Interest and drawing for current account come from the appropriation account. Interest and capital come from here. In partner's salary come from here. Share loss or share profit come from the share profit here. Okay, whatever that I highlight in a yellow color, it's come from for the current account. For the current accounts come from the appropriation account. So whatever that I highlight in a green color, this one from the question. This one from the question. You need to see the question. See how much the drawing put here. And then this one come from where? This one will come from income statement. You remember the income statement got a finance cost. Okay, say the other expenses, under the other expenses, you get a finance cost. All the interest will put there in a finance cost. All the interest will put in a finance cost. So this interest come from the income statement, not from the appropriation account. Okay, did I answer your question? You understand or not? The student who asked me this question. Okay, it's come from the income statement. Income statement before we calculate the profit. Before we calculate the profit in an income statement, there's a finance cost. Inside the finance cost, this loan interest will be there. Very good question. Okay, so I think that's it. Can you remember the format? There are two things that you need to remember. One, credit balance means is a positive balance. Debit balance means is a negative balance. Another one thing that you need to remember, the format of this. The format of this. Okay, before 2018, before 2018, normally they will ask you to do this like this only. Like this only. It's easy. But on the year 2018 or 2019, wait, let me check the past year paper. Yeah, 2019 February March. 2019 February March paper, they asked me to do this. They asked us to do this. See, Bari and Nada in a partnership, their financial year ends on 31st December. Their partnership agreement provide the residual profit share proportion in the capital invested. They gave me all this. Okay, all this. Okay, here. Prepare the draft financial statement position, 31st December. Is here. The detail of the current account should shown within the statement. So this one, like A or B. This is the A, this is the B. They're asking to A or B. B. First time I see this question, I was surprised. Okay, I was surprised. Okay, first time I see the question, they want to show the within the statement. Normally we do separately, take the balance, put in a statement of financial position. But first time in the 2019, they asked us to do this. Luckily, it's February, March. And you all know, right? Normally February, March will be harder than October, November. February, March will be harder than October, November. Okay, I want to do the draft statement of financial position, but let me look at these balances that I have. Okay, first I have a capital balance. Okay, current balance. This is the balance BD. These two are balance BD. Then this is the drawings. Okay, I see the word draft. Draft means extract. Draft means extract. It means it's not a full statement. It's only a part. Only a part is given to you. Okay, let me check. Do you remember the appropriation account statements of our formula? The appropriation account start with profit plus IOD minus IOC minus partner salary. Then you get a residual profit. The residual profit will become share profit. The question got a profit, very good. Interest on drawing, yes, the total are very good. Interest on capital is there. Sorry, interest on capital is here. And then partner salary is here. And then residual profit. The profit available for distribution is actually residual profit. Is this complete? Is this complete? Is this the statement of financial, sorry, this appropriation account is complete or not? Others, is this complete or not? Anything missing here? Share profit is missing. Share profit is missing. So we need to calculate the share profit. The question always do this. So we need to calculate share profit. So how to calculate the share profit? For Bari and Nada. Bari and Nada. So what is the ratio? I don't know the ratio. The question didn't give me any ratio. Oh, here. The residual profit to be share proportion to the capital invested. Capital invested. So we need to calculate the ratio ourselves. So Bari invested 150. Nada invested 100,000. Can you simplify? 2, 3. So Bari will get how much? Bari will get 3 over total 5. Nada will get 2 over total 5. This is their proportion. This is their proportion. Understand not? So 3/5, 2/5. 4530, 4530 times 3/5, 2/5. Can you calculate? 4530 times 3/5. I get 2718. 1812. Total up, you get 4530. Are you following me? Okay, after that, the question asked me to do statement of financial position. So statement of financial position will start with non-current asset. Do you have any, before that, can you check, do you have any depreciation? If you got depreciation, I need to write cost, accumulated depreciation, net book value, all. But can you check, do you have any depreciation here? No, I didn't see any depreciation here. I didn't see any there. Yeah. Okay, so we just write here. First one, I can see premises. Oh, but we have two premises. Can I write 2 times premises? No. Okay, we see this. First, your premises at the beginning of the year, and then you buy a premises. So you total up only. You just total up the premises. Only one account can be right here. Premises 120,000 plus 100,000. So 320,000. No depreciation. After that, do you have anything else? Sorry, I weak in mathematics. I drunk. Sorry, I drunk. Okay, continue. After that, yeah, other non-current asset 92650. 92. Yes, 92650 right here. Other non-current assets. What is the meaning of other non-current asset? Actually, like motor vehicle, furniture fitting, office equipment, all this. They don't want to give you one by one. So if they give you one by one, like a 3 item, they need to give you 3 marks. So they don't want that. So that's why they just total up everything. They give you in one figure. So we just total up this. 220,000 plus 92650. I get 312,650. 312,650. After that, we have a current asset. Okay, what are the current assets that you have? What are the current assets you have? Trade receivable, other receivable, provision for doubtful debt, and bank. Okay, these are the 4 current assets that I can see. This question don't have inventory. This question don't have inventory. Don't have inventory, we don't care. Okay, I'll start with trade receivable. My trade receivable is 25500. You know why I write in the third line? This is the first line, second line, third line. Do you know why I write in the trade receivable? I write in the third line because we have PDD. Yes, if you got PDD, you need to minus with the PDD. Minus PDD. My PDD is 510. My PDD is 510. Provision for doubtful debt. Provision for doubtful debt. So 25,500, 25,500 minus 510. I get 24,990, 24,990. After that, we have any other current asset? Yes, other receivable, 910. Other receivable. After that, bank, 21890, right here, bank. Then you total up these three. 47,790. Then you total up 312650 plus 47790. I get 360440. 360440. Okay, I give you 1 minute. Anybody want to copy this? Please copy. Got any question? Please ask me. Any question? Okay, no question. Continue. Then, wait, okay, whatever I write in this color, whatever that I write in this color is actually new thing. Only club and sorry, only the partnership we have this. So we have two partner, Bari and Nada. You okay? Whichever name come first, that's the name you need to write here. Whichever come next, you need to write next. Bari, Nada, and total. Okay, wait up. Okay, you just imagine, if you have 5 partners. Just imagine you have 5 partners. A, B, C, Bari, Nada. If you get 10 partners, imagine. But in IGCSE, normally maximum they'll go only 3 partners. Maximum they'll go only 3 partners. They're no more than 3 partners. I never seen any more than 3 partners. 3 partners also very rare. Normally 2 partners only. 3 partners also very rare. Okay, there's a question. Why the provision for doubtful debt here? There's a question asked me. But why the provision for doubtful debt minus the trade receivable? Because the provision for doubtful debt is related to only trade receivable. Provision for doubtful debt only related to trade receivable, not other receivable. Other receivable means it's like expenses prepaid like that. That one and provision for doubtful debt not related. So remember this. Provision for doubtful debt related to trade receivable. That's why I minus the trade receivable. Very good. Ask me more questions, then only I can explain. Whenever you ask, I can explain a lot of things. Okay, come back here. Bari, Nada, and total. Then first thing that you need to write is capital. Right here. Capital account. How much is your capital account? Yes, your balance BD of the capital is 150 and 100. Throughout the year, throughout this year, the guy didn't brought in any capital. The guy didn't take out any capital. He didn't give you any extra capital. He didn't take out any extra capital. So your opening balance will become your closing balance. Your opening balance will become your closing balance. So your capital account balance is 150 and 100. Total 250. Simple? Very simple. After that, we have current account. Wait, if you have done the current account, we take the latest balance BD. Okay, we have a one balance BD here, beginning of the year, and then we have balance up, right? The CD BD, this balance, the CD BD, this balance. If you already have this balance, if you have already this balance, what do? You take the balance, you write here, total up, then total. Then after that, go for next one, non-current liability. Simple. If you already done the current account, we do like this. But the problem is we haven't do the current account, and then the question say we need to show the current account within the statement. So now I'm going to do the current account inside the statement of financial position. I'm going to do the current account inside the statement of financial position. Do you remember the format? Balance BD, credit, total up, debit, and then you'll get a CD. This is the format. This is the format. So balance BD, can you check how much the balance BD? Current account balance BD 950 150. 950 is a credit side, under 50 debit. 950 150 right here. Balance BD, or the better answer, you can write balance on 1st January 2018 also cannot, but you write balance BD also acceptable. Is it correct? No, because this one must put bracket. Correct or not? I test you, but there's one student, he simply tucked. At first, the student at first say this is negative. When I put bracket here, then he changed the answer. Okay, come back here. Debit is negative. Credit is positive. Remember that. Okay. Because this is the capital. Capital is a credit balance. So credit is a positive. Debit is negative. I did not get catch. Catch what? You understand or not? Yes, your answer is correct, under 50. All understand this now? Okay, after that, what are the things that we'll have in a credit side? What are the things that we have in a credit side? I can remember there are 3 things will be in a credit side. There's actually 4 things. There's 4 things will be in a credit side. First one will be interest and capital, partner salary, share profit, and also interest and partners loan. And I didn't see any loan, any partners loan. Okay, I didn't see any partners loan. So there's no interest or not, but there is a loan. If you realize there is a loan, this loan is not a partner's loan. The loan that you take from the bank, the loan that take from other people is just a loan. When the question say partners loan, loan from the body, loan from NADA, loan from partner, then only the interest on partners be right here. But this is a normal partners, the one you don't need to care anything. You don't need to care anything. Okay. So here, do you have interest on capital? Yes. Do you have partner salary? Yes. Do you have a share profit? Yes. These 3 things we have. These 3 things we have. So we straight away go here. Right? Interest on capital. Partner salary. Then share of profit. So sir, you explain the balance BD formula thing. Sir, can you explain the balance BD formula thing? Balance BD formula thing. Wait, there's one question. Can you explain the balance BD formula thing? I mean, which one is negative, which one is positive, is it? What we are doing. Wait, let me answer the first question. The first question, can you explain the balance BD formula thing? Is it which one is positive, which one is negative? You want to know that one, is it? This one. Okay. Balance CD will be positive. Balance, balance BD credit is positive. Debit is negative. Remember that. Okay, the formula. Okay, another question, what we are doing, is it liability? No, it's not liability, it's a capital. All these are capital. Capital and current will be in a capital section. Capital and current account will be in a capital section. We are doing capital section. Okay, understand now? We are doing capital section. Wait, I don't understand the question. I understand that, but BD minus credit 1 on the left side. This one is it? Oh, okay. This is the balance BD here. This is the credit item. And then you have a debit item. Then you'll get a balance CD. Understand now? Then debit item. Then we have a balance CD like that. Yeah, no need. Here, no need plus, minus, or plus, no need. You don't need put minus, plus. Just put the numbers on it. Okay, so interest on capital. Okay, I understand. Answer your question, Lydia. No need to put plus, minus here. So interest on capital, 7,500, 5,000. If I didn't answer your question, please reply, ask again. Partner salary, 20,000. 20,000 for who? 20,000 only for Bari. Share profit, 2718, 2718, 1812. Then you total up. Okay, you total up only the balance BD plus balance BD is how much? 950. 950 plus 7,500 plus 20,000 plus 2718. I get 31168. And this one negative under 50 plus 5,000 plus 1812. 6662. Are you all following me? Any questions so far? You plus all these, plus all this right here. Plus all this right here. Capital don't touch because capital will be separately total up here. Okay, after that we have the debit thing. Debit thing, we have only two things, which is drawings and interest on drawings. How much the drawing? Drawings here, 11,000, 13,000. 11,000, 13,000. You can double line this, shows that this is total. Double line this shows that this is the total. After that, interest and capital, interest and drawing. Interest and drawing is 660,780. 660,780. And then you total up again. One 1,660,13780. Then A minus B. A minus B. I'll get balance CD. My balance CD is 19508 negative 7118. Then in total up, you get 12390. 12390. Then you plus together. You'll have 262,390. 262,390. And this one will be plus with non-current liability. What are the non-current liability that you can see in this question? Loan that you pay after how many years? So many years, 80,000. So right here, loan repayable 2025, 80,000. And last one we have current liability. What are the current liability that you have in this question? Trade payable, other payable. Trade payable and other payable. Your trade payable is 17250 and 800. Total up 18050. Then you take this answer plus with this answer plus this answer, you will get a total. Your total will be 360440. This one and this one will be same. Can you check the answer? Any question? See, this one, all the same only, whatever that we learned previous chapters, but only different is this part. Only different is this particular part. Okay, I think that's it for now. Whoever haven't do this homework, please do the homework. The Paul. Okay, and please redo the questions again. That's the only way to become good in accounts. Redo the same question will make you remember the format. Redo the same question will make you to remember the